Hi everyone, I do hope you're well. I'm going to make some cat earrings today, and they are cat cabochon earrings. And these are the glass cabochons that I'm using, and a cabochon in this instance is a clear glass dome. These are 12mm and they have an image underneath, a very high quality photo image. I will link some photos so you can see. I know it's hard to see. So those are 12mm. These are 12mm earring settings, and they will fit a 12mm cabochon. These are white gold plated. They're very new. They're a new stock that I'm trying out. We've got some bullet earring backs, super glue, just some kitchen roll to use. These earrings are very simple to make. You take, let's just undo the glue. You just want a tiny amount. I just turn it upside down. Obviously it depends how quickly your glue comes out, and I just want to, it's like a little blob, which I just use the nozzle. And then we're going to do this pair first. Black cats are the hardest colour to rehome. Through no fault of their own, black cats are overlooked time and time again, as most people tend to choose prettier coloured cats. Even black kittens are left until last for adoption, whilst their more colourful siblings are chosen first. Sadly, the outlook for a black adult cat in rescue is therefore very bleak. Some spend many months in rescue, sometimes even years, waiting for someone to see past their colour, and sadly some do not make it. Now we're going to do these. That one. These dry very quickly as well. If you could like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have lots of tutorials available, lots more planned. And if you can leave a comment, even better, just for helping me be seen, because I'm quite a new channel. And make me not feel like I'm talking to myself. But seriously, black cats, lovely. I had two. One passed away about a year ago. He was a rescue. He lived a grand old age. Obviously, we don't know how old, but about 22 was the estimate. And we have a girl cat now called Lucy. She's, again, roughly 23 years. We've had her. She was a very young cat with kittens when we went to see her. Most beautiful kittens. She's now blind and deaf, dementia. But such a big part of our family. What pets do you have? Let me know in the comments below. I'm nosy, I want to know all about my subscribers. Let me know how you're doing. Even if you're It doesn't matter if you're happy, you're sad, feeling low. Crafting is great for mental health. And as you can tell, I do like to ramble on. Last one. I do have a website for the supplies as well, which I'll link for you. Low cost craft supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. Let's put the lid on. So I'm going to allow those to dry. This is a new jewellery tray that I bought. I didn't really want this colour, but it was the only colour available. So I'm going to pop these when they're dry in here for display and see what that looks like. I've also, my next tutorial, I've got some daisy charms. And you know me, I love anything daisy. I showed these to my mum and she said, "Oh, they broke, they've got a petal missing." That's what they're like. So I'm going to make some earrings and probably a necklace too. So that will be my next video. So like and subscribe to the channel, otherwise you'll miss out. And all my tutorials are beginner friendly. Okay, so these are dry now. I'm just going to pop them in here. I do have a very small animal rescue, and this is why I do what I do, and any money received from my jewellery, all the supplies, once everything's paid and the bills, goes towards their care. It's only small, it's nothing to register as a charity or anything. It's something I do because I love animals. A wildlife transporter as well. Baby season now. There are the cat earrings. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting. Hope you have a lovely day.